Today, data is everything. Every data analyst and data scientist wants faster access to more data so they can make better business decisions. Dremio Sonar is a service with warehouse-level performance and capabilities that helps data teams deliver faster, more reliable insights. With a self-service experience that enables you to analyze, curate, and publish data on all your terms. So you can use simple SQL to work with data, get sub-second responses, and perform DML commands with infinite scaling and elasticity. Sonar is simply the easiest way for you to make better data-driven decisions. Get started with Sonar today on the forever free Dremio Lakehouse platform.